All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the weather pros, and responding fire. We're taking a look at what's going to happen over the next week. We're taking a look at potential severe weather threats, and one comes Wednesday, one comes Sunday, and those are going to be both a little bit different, but the threat levels for next Sunday, actually a week away, if this holds, will be actually a very elevated risk, especially when we're seeing this in the computer models a week out. Usually that's not good if you're looking at severe weather. So next Sunday may be a bigger day. We'll have to keep an eye on it, obviously. But Wednesday is the first thing we hit. As you see, we do have this. This is your. Let me push that off for a second. A threat for severe weather would be in the area. This will be Wednesday, roughly around 5 p.m. So probably put 3 and 8 p.m. As I said, we get closer, we can definitely nail this down a little better. Main threat I'm seeing with this is actually going to be more of a straight line wind issue versus as we move along and we get towards Sunday, and you will see where there's an issue. Let me back this up, try to get all that back into there. All right, so we get the issue with Sunday, as you see a much more widespread. The whole state of Virginia has that threat level, and you see the higher threat level in the yellow, which is Bedford County and to the east, and also west of the mountains. So maybe your far western areas may not be in as big as this situation, but areas like such as Richmond or Northern Virginia, Charlottesville, areas, stuff like that, before you get to the far North Virginia, maybe the worst places we see weather. Now, like I said, this is a week out. Things will change, but this is just a foreseen potential for next weekend. And there's definitely on here some wind change with height. Your STP there, supercells are high, and I wish I could pull it over here, but it does have tornado, has a rotating potential. So even this far out, we're talking about the potential of tornadoes. We'll see how it works out. But right now, I wouldn't, don't take it with a grain of salt, but put it in the back of your head. Wednesday and Sunday as your threat level days. So for the forecast for the rest of the week, we'll see any showers go away. Sunshine tomorrow, 65 to 70 degrees. Increasing clouds on Monday night, nothing much, 45 degrees. So then we head into Tuesday in the 70s, partly to mostly sunny skies. Chances of rain increase for Wednesday with showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon, 75 degrees. That'll continue into the night on Wednesday. Thursday, showers in the morning, 66. As we head, like I said, further on, Friday looks decent. Saturday looks decent before we get Sunday, which would be our potential for sunny and then severe weather threat by the afternoon. So that's what the forecast is locally. Franklin County, Roanoke County, Bedford County, your local area. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. I'm meteorologist Dean Davison.